So I want to viewers and subscribers. How you guys doing? I hope you guys have a blessed day. So people, Achilani, people, it's the father of a 2-year-old. He might talk up how it go. It's me say people. And also the people in the community. I speak up also too. It's me say people. So people, I want to subscribe and like this channel. I want you guys to listen. Oh, it thing happen. And some people, yeah man, bless up.
Just a little bit about what took place. You understand that?
Park right there, so. The baby mother ran him, and the youth run for up there, so. And start firing shot to my car. And then the driver shot this and find out said baby get shot.
Although he's a small child, what type of child was he? Just tell me, you know, the type of baby.
He loved to play. Never happy. Never see me just having a panda.
So, what happened to your baby mother now?
Yeah, the hospital.
Okay. And we understand that the baby would have been freed this Friday coming.
Yes.
I talk to him the other day because I see him not want company. And I call him and I talk to him. I say, where you live? He say, live over mommy. I say, he say, live in a small room. And his mommy in a big room. Because my brother house then live. I say, me hear your name, I call up in some things. And I say, you feel, go look work and help your mother because you know so your mother not well. And come out of bad company. Come out of bad company. You don't go to prison, you go dead. And that me tell him, I say, you go dead if you not come out of bad company. And he say, auntie, me no in no bad company. Me say, all right, if you not in no bad company, it's okay. But be careful. You hear me say, sir? And my daughter see him and talk to him Friday. And tell him, say, him to go look work and leave company alone. See what I'm going to do there? Shoot the baby.
And you know the baby well, don't you?
Yes, sir. Over there, so he live one pretty little baby all the while in come with fat and in love food. And if you eat anything and you come and you call me, I call him fat man. I say, fat man, give me some. And they say, they give you nice little baby, loving little baby, sir. 2-year-old. Eh? Oh, God, man.
So what your year take place?
Well, when I went over there, I went there he came down with a dresser. And he said to me, set it up. And the guy who shoot the baby said he said that if it wasn't his nephew, he'd have killed him. And I said, no, finish with that, man, because we're not family. So I didn't expect that the two would happen.
Oh, so them actually had an altercation at the earlier part?
Yeah, from Friday.
From Friday. Oh, altercation from Friday. Yeah. Oh, and it stemmed over into yesterday.
Yes.
How the committee taking it?
Bad. Because they never expect that other family you do that. You know? There are certain things this domestic dispute can deal with. You understand me? And if your family, if you have any dispute against what happened, see, it's because you just talk it, just talk over things. That's what's happening almost in Jamaica where the community can get together and say, no, we live here and if incident happen. Just finish with that, man. Yeah?
We understand that there was a friction between you and him from Friday.
Yes, he boxed my baby mother. I really keep found that. Then he have revenge to come from.
Because in box your baby mother, so you have to lick him, so he decides, say, oh, okay. And we understand that the baby would have been freed this Friday coming.
Yes.
The young man, where is he now?
He has filed lock up.
Okay.
Is it true that you guys are related?
Yeah.
Some of viewers, on the earwalk one, on the earwalk one down. I never want to kill uncle, you know. Just because of dispute will go on between the uncle girlfriend and the nephew. Friday, you know. Nephew box the girlfriend, you know. You see that, people? You see that? People, look at this still. Something go down. We want to hear from the girlfriend side. Yes, me I say. Because he never couldn't just walk up to her and just box her or some people. No. No, people. Yes, me I say. People. The people in like community, them a talk. Yes, me I say. So people, we want to hear how it start. So people, please subscribe and like and share. People. And people, have a blessed day. You understand what I say? Have a blessed day. Yeah man, Shabbos to you people. I'm out.